Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss expert systems in artificial intelligence. So in this session we'll discuss its introduction, important characteristics as well as some important components that are based on artificial systems. So now let's just start the introduction. So students, an expert system is a branch of AI that is basically designed to replicate the decision-making ability of human expert. In simple terms, we can also say it as an expert system in AI is a computer program designed to simulate human expertise in a specific domain, and it uses a knowledge base and a set of inference rules to solve any type of complex problem, often at a level comparable of a human expert. As its name implies, expert system. That means by using artificial intelligence rules, we are going to make a system that is expert in decision making, that is that works expertly like we humans do. Clear everyone? An expert system is designed to mimic human expertise in solving complex problems within a specific domain. इसका ये मतलब है कि एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में या एक पर्टिकुलर डोमेन में वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ सेपरेट एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम. फॉर एग्जांपल, if I want to make one if I want to make one सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार, देन उसका जो एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम है वो डिफरेंट होगा. इफ आई वांट एनी अदर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस डिवाइस, तो उसका एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम कुछ अलग होगा. Is that clear? If you have any doubt, you can definitely share with me in the comment section. I will surely help you, right? These systems are basically built to provide solutions, reasonings, and advice in a specific domain, such as for medicine, for medical science, we have to create a separate expert system. For engineering, we have to create some another expert system, like for finance or business. Clear? Other than these, we can also say expert systems rely on a knowledge base and an inference engine to analyze problems and deliver recommendations related to that so that we can easily solve those problems, right? They are widely used in areas requiring specialized expertise, but where human experts may not always be available. अब हम एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम के अंदर एक ऐसा सिस्टम बना रहे हैं, एक ऐसी मशीन बना रहे हैं that can work like human expertise, right? As we all know, humans are not available every time in some particular field. That's why we need to create one expert system, ताकि जहां पर humans अगर available नहीं है तो वहां पर एक machine एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करके प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन दे सके, डिसीजन मेकिंग में हेल्प कर सके. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन मेडिसिन, लेट्स से इन XYZ हॉस्पिटल कोई इमरजेंसी केस आया है and all the doctors are not available at that particular moment. But if the hospital is using some expert system, if hospital is using any AI expert system, then definitely वो एक एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर का काम कर सकता है एटलीस्ट इन इमरजेंसी केसेस. I hope everything is clear to you. Now next we have is some characteristics. So the first characteristic we have is domain specific knowledge. So domain specific knowledge in AI refers to the specialized knowledge. It means a specialized knowledge tailored to a particular field or industry. Unlike general AI, which can process broad information, we can say domain specific AI focuses on solving specific problems by leveraging their expert knowledge, by leveraging their data and algorithms related to that particular domain, that particular field only. For example, एक particular domain है हेल्थ केयर. सो हेल्थ केयर से रिलेटेड जो भी एक डॉक्टर में एक्सपर्टीज होती हैं, ठीक है, वो सब एक्सपर्टीज वी वांट टू ऐड इन आर एआई डिवाइसेस बाय यूजिंग एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम्स. अनदर डोमेन वी हैव हियर इज बिजनेस. एक बिजनेसमैन का दिमाग किस तरीके से चलता है, एक बिजनेसमैन किस तरीके से डिसीजन मेकिंग करता है, दैट पर्टिकुलर expertise we need to add in any machine using AI is taken under domain specific knowledge. This is one of the major characteristic of expert systems in AI. All clear, everyone? Let's say in case of healthcare, if we want to diagnose any disease, if we want to discover any drug, if we want any personalized medicine for someone, so we can use domain specific knowledge over there. Clear? Another characteristic we have is rule based decision making. So students, this approach in AI is very important, where decisions are made using predefined in then if then rule. They use if then rules to derive the conclusion. Clear? These rules mimic human expert reasoning to allow the system to analyze any kind of data, to apply any type of knowledge and generate conclusions automatically. For example, if we say, if a customer orders more than 50 pieces of our product, then we will surely give him a surprise gift under the parcel. Right? So this is rule-based decision making expert system. Next we have is logical reasoning. So the system follows logical steps to analyze input data. So basically, logical reasoning in AI is a process of deriving conclusion from given facts, given rules, using some formal logics. Its key components are basically some symbols. It uses symbolic artificial intelligence. We have basically two types of logical reasoning over there. One is deductive and one is inductive reasoning. If we talk about deductive reasoning, it derives conclusion from general rules. And if we want, talk about inductive reasoning, learns general rules from specific data. Clear, everyone? Next we have is explainability. So explainability means many expert systems can explain their reasoning and conclusions. So if we talk about explainability in expert system, it refers to the system's ability to provide reasoning and justification. It is always related to its justification and its reasoning for its conclusion and decisions, right? It helps users understand how and why a particular recommendation or diagnosis was made. Like in case of healthcare, अगर किसी व्यक्ति को कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई बड़ी बीमारी, डिजीज डायग्नोज हुआ है, सो एक्सप्लेनेबिलिटी फीचर एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम में जो है वो हमें बताएगा, वो एक्सप्लेन करेगा कि ये इशू क्यों आया है. क्लियर? कि ये डायग्नोसिस, ये प्रॉब्लम क्यों आई है, द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम will be explained under this explainability feature. Next we have is reliability and efficiency. So they provide consistent and quick decision making compared to human experts, and we can always be reliable on its decisions, right? As we all know, AI is really very smart. So इसके जो भी decisions होते हैं, they all are reliable and efficient. So now let's move to the components of an expert system. So the first component we have is knowledge base. So knowledge base is basically a core, or we can say basic component of an expert system, containing all the necessary information required for decision making. And majorly knowledge base includes two types of knowledge. First, it holds factual knowledge, and another it holds heuristic knowledge. Clear? Another we have is inference engine. So basically the inference engine is nothing but it is the brain of the expert system. As we all know, जैसे हम humans का जो भी काम होता है, decision making होती है, all is done with the help of brain only, right? Similarly, inference engine is the brain of an expert system. It processes the knowledge base. It basically processes the knowledge base and applies logical reasoning to derive the conclusion. We have so many functions under this brain of expert system. So the first function can be it applies rules to facts, it handles uncertainty, and it can also optimize the decision making. Next we have is the user interface. So under user interface, basically it is the interactive part, right? It is the interactive part of our system where users input their queries and receive the recommendations. So functions of user interface includes it allow user to enter the data, right? The user gets the results and explanations based on the inference engine, based on the brain of expert system. After that, in the third function, it provides a friendly and intuitive interaction for non-experts. अगर कोई व्यक्ति सिस्टम यूज करना नहीं जानता तो it always provides a simple user interface so that everyone can get their answers very easily with these expert systems. Next we have is explanation mechanism. So explanation mechanism is also known as justification module, also called justification module. It provides reasoning behind the system's decisions. Clear everyone? It always justifies the system's decision. Together, these components enable expert systems. Together, all these four components enables expert systems to provide accurate, fast, and reliable situations in various fields like medicine, law, businesses, and manufacturing, etc. So I hope students everything is clear to you. So here in the session we have discussed all about export systems with its simple examples, also discussed its characteristics and components. Now in the next session we will discuss more questions and more points related to the export systems that will help you get good marks in your examination. So now let's just end the session. If you want me to continue this series, so definitely you can comment below. I will surely help you and complete your all the requests. So thank you so much everyone and all the very best.